It is rare to have a data set that is complete, hence it is important to know how to code and deal with missing values with category. You can inspect the data here. BMW has the missed values, Chevrolet has the missed values. So for this purpose, first go to data, split file and compare group, manufact, press the button OK. Now you have split file layered by manufact, and now go to analyze, descriptive, frequencies, 4-year resale value, go to variable box, statistics, select mean, press continue, display frequency table off, press the button OK. Now you have got the mean of each category. You will notice the mean of each category. BMW mean is 32.40. Now we go to substitute this mean in the data set. For this purpose, we go to transform, decode it to same variable, manufacturer, go to variable box, if include if case satisfies the condition, manufacturer, insert equal sign, inverted comma, BMW, press continue, and 4-year resale value, old and new, system missing, and now you will enter the mean value 32.40, add, continue, OK, and now recode resale value 32.40, and you can inspect your data. In BMW you have added 32.40, so in this way you can substitute the mean value of BMW. In this way you deal the all categories having the missing value.